Are you suffering from diastasis recti, which is the separation of your abdominal muscles on your linea alba, and the rectus abdominis is separated with a gap? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. If you're new to my channel is about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. And if you're suffering from this, in this video, I'll be demonstrating sitting and standing core exercises to strengthen without exacerbating the gap. And you can finally heal that separation safely and effectively due to pregnancy, postpartum, or anyone with weak core that you started having this separation from high impact lifting, running, and jumping activities. All you need in this video is a ball, and if you don't have a big ball, physio ball, you can use a chair in your desk area, wherever you have a chair, a kettlebell, a jug, a dumbbell, and you can still join even small increments exercises to engage your core muscles safely and effectively. So get them ready and join me. If you want to learn more about diastasis recti, I have a video. You can check out the link here. And if you have more time to add with this sitting exercises, I also have that lying on your back exercises, and learn how much gap you have to test and what tests you can do to make sure you have this condition. My recommendation is still for you to see your medical doctor and local physical therapist to verify if you have this condition. I also recommend to have abdominal binder to help heal the diastasis recti, because it happens when you're straining it from lifting activities and you're also creating more space in that area. And please limit any high impact activities. Don't do any jumping, lifting, or heavy strength training program right now. If you want to heal this area, you really have to start targeting your core muscles first before proceeding to any boot camp or any high impact activities, because you won't heal this problem. Usually you can heal this area within 6 months of hard work, of really concentrating mind-body awareness on your core, proper breath work. And to learn more, I have a video, as I said. Click the link over here, learn more about diastasis recti. And if you have umbilical hernia in conjunction with that and back pain, I have videos you can also watch on the info card or the description below to learn how to heal your umbilical hernia and weak pelvic floor muscles. So let's begin the program. So sitting on a ball, your knees should be leveled with your hips, 90 degrees, and you want to make sure you feel your breath work. Place your hands on your abdomen, and when you inhale through your nose, you want to make sure you breathe in through your nose. Belly breath, you want to expand your belly for a little bit engagement, to expand, to stretch gently. And as you exhale, slowly pull your navel towards your spine, keeping your back straight and breathing out through your mouth. Feel your breath, diaphragmatic breathing. Belly breath, exhale, pull it in slow and steady. Keeping your back straight. Well done. Now lifting your hands up, start warming up, hands pointing to the ceiling. And you want to start challenging your core by doing a gentle heel raises. You're going to lift your heels up, inhale, squeeze your core in as you exhale and down. Toes up as you breathe out, inhale, lift your heels up, exhale. So the hands up helps you connect to your upper back. At the same time, really challenge your core. Because if you're resting your hand on your side or holding on your armrests in your chair, then you're using your arms for support. You want to really challenge it, keeping your core engaged as you breathe out. Inhale, lift your heel up, both heels. Exhale, toes up, squeezing your core in. You're going to rock forward and backward a little bit, and that's normal. Well done. Now, after doing that, you can challenge with your dumbbells. Slowly challenge it. Place the dumbbells overhead and continue with the heel raises. Do that 10 times, warming up your ankles, warming up your calves, and breath work. It's not about speed, it's about controlled mind-body awareness, and you want to make sure you're really connecting with your abdominal muscles. And now we're progressing with the kettlebell. And as I said, if you don't have different weights, it's okay. Inhale, exhale. Even just your hands pointing up to the ceiling, that's fine. I'm really squeezing my abdominal muscles in as I breathe out as much as I can. Well done. Now, we're gonna challenge your hip flexors, and you wanna make sure you're really tight. This time, you're gonna keep your belly button towards your spine as you alternating march left and right with your breath work. I'm really tightening it, keeping my core engaged so I don't fall off the ball, and keep that balance. So I'm really pulling my lower abdominal muscles, and it's gonna be challenging now as we progress. 10 times each leg. Tighten as much as you can. You're gonna feel your abdominal muscles, especially the lower abs and your hip flexors. Well done. Now let's challenge with the 3-pound dumbbells and march. Heal the diastasis recti, umbilical hernia, or anyone with weak core and lower abs. With your breath work. 2 more. And down. Last set. So it's like 3 sets of 10, almost like any strength training, but focus on your core. And this helps strengthen your upper back posture all at the same time. So the kettlebell is overhead through the crown of my head, keeping my neck straight. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. And down. Well done. Now we're gonna do some obliques. So obliques is a great way to strengthen your rotation of your spine, but keeping everything together. So abdominal bracing is when you brace yourself in. Inhale, and then you're gonna tap your knee with your hand alternating opposite side, left hand on your right knee while marching. Inhale, exhale, squeezing your core in. Breathe in, breathe out, slow and steady, mind-body awareness on your core. Last set. And down. Now let's reach for the 3-pound dumbbell. This time, we're gonna do one side 10 times, and with the dumbbell still pointing both hands up, tap. So it's gonna be challenging now. So when you do one side for a while, you're gonna feel the burn on your core and your shoulders. Push up, tap down. You're gonna feel tired, even the stabilization on the opposite side of your leg. Last 2 and last 1. Switch the dumbbell now to the other side and pointing your fingers to the ceiling and tap. Breath work, squeezing everything tight together. You breathe in as you reach, exhale as you tap. 3 more. You might feel tired on your hip flexors now. And down. Well done. So those are the exercises. The kettlebell will be too challenging for you. So now we're gonna do some trunk rotation. So when you rotate your spine and your core, you're really engaging also your obliques further. At the same time with transverse abdominis that holds everything tight together. So with a kettlebell, or you can use the dumbbells, and if you don't have one, you can just use your hands forward and do gentle rotation, just a few inches. So when I turn, I stop on the knee level, not too much around, because you don't want to strain that area. You don't want to be doing too much rotation. Just 45-degree angle, exhale back center and down. As you breathe in, lift. Exhale, turn to the opposite side. Inhale and exhale down. Again, lift, elbow straight. Rotation. Inhale, down. Lift, breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale and down. Last set. Lift, rotation. Inhale and down. Last one to the left. And down. Now we're gonna stand up. So standing is one of the best way to strengthen your core. If you don't have a chair, then you can do this as well. We are going to use the kettlebell now. So standing is a great way to open your hip flexors and really engage your abdominal muscles. So with the kettlebell, press up to the heavens, level to your head. And in this position, we're gonna start the marching in place. So balance on one leg. So this helps stabilize your hip and your core. Inhale and exhale, march. Inhale as you go down, slow and steady, balance and exhale. As you lift your knee, you wanna make sure it's level to your hip, knee to chest. Inhale, exhale, squeezing your core in. So the kettlebell challenges your core and really building that strength. Don't march too fast. It's not about speed. Actually, the slower, the better. Whew. You're gonna feel this on your core without any abdominal crunches, which is the worst thing you will do if you have diastasis recti or umbilical hernia. I'm tightening my abdominal muscles as much as I can now. All throughout this exercise now with the marches. Tighten as hard as you can. Last one. And down and rest your arm. Okay, let's reach down for our 3-pound dumbbell because obliques is gonna be more challenging. So we're gonna do one-sided obliques. So toes pointing away with your left. I'm leaning towards my right. Dumbbells on my right. I'm gonna tap and rotate and up, squeezing your core in. I'm not doing a lot of trunk rotation. It's just tapping, a little bit diagonal movement, but not too much. Toes pointing as you go down. Exhale, squeezing your core in. 10 times. Reach and down. I'm really tightening my abdominal muscles, targeting my obliques. 2 more. Last one, my friends. And switch to the other side. Both hands up. Tap and lower down with tippy toes on your right. I'm leaning on my left. Squeeze my core in. Abdominal bracing. Don't forget your breath work. Tighten your navel towards your spine. We're almost done. 2 more. Last one, my friends. And down. Well done. Now, let's tighten more of our core. Bring the kettlebell up. And this time, we're gonna slowly soften your knee for a partial squats. Toes pointing diagonally. I'm slowly pretending I wanna sit down, not all the way down. And then we're gonna press out and slow diagonal rotation, not too much. Squeezing your core in as you turn left and right. Inhale. Exhale. And if this is too heavy, use the dumbbell. Breathe in, breathe out. Last set, and down. Whew. The last exercise, we're gonna go down really low this time. Hips level to your knees. Squeeze your core in, and then you're gonna press out and in. Out and in. Squeeze your core in. Breathe in, breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my lovely sitting and standing core exercises to help your diastasis recti utilizing kettlebell and dumbbell. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below. And I try my best to answer each one of you. If you want to be guided by me and want to learn more how to help your diastasis recti, postpartum, and back pain, you can join my back masterclass. Click the link on the description below and be part of my early bird waitlist. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, you can direct email me or in my other social media platform. If you don't want to miss out of any of my video training, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything, like and share this video. Every like you give to my channel, you are supporting me. I also have a core postpartum reviving your pelvic floor health. It's a new course that I'm creating. And if you're interested, if you want to learn more about it, click the link on my description below and revive your pelvic floor health so I can help you regain your overall health, especially for those postpartum situation, even during pregnancy. I have videos about diastasis recti. You can watch it over here to learn more about if you have this condition, and you can also add with this routine lying on your back. And if you have pelvic floor weakness, I have a wall exercises you can check out over here. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthier you. Bye!